let me describe how I approach a maths problem. The first step, I diagnose what kind of problem is this, what kind of formulas do I need, etc. The second step, I apply those formulas. So I start throwing in numbers into the formula, I start trying things out. This is where I'm doing most of the thinking. And it might happen that I've actually chosen the wrong formula, in which case I'd have to go back a step. The last step is all about accuracy. To get full marks, you're going to have to be super careful, not make any mistakes with minus signs, don't round too early, maybe reread the question, use the correct number of decimal places and the correct units, and so on. Most of the mistakes that students make come from mixing up these three steps. For example, if you're figuring out what equation you should be using, you shouldn't really be thinking too far ahead. If you're in the middle of applying a formula, then you shouldn't really be thinking about being too accurate because maybe you have to go back a step and rethink. You have to be flexible. And if you're in the final stages, you're basically committed and you can't really be thinking back like, was I using the right formula or something, unless you want to restart the problem. So to sum up, in order to solve a maths problem correctly, you're going to have to do these three steps in order. Now, you might think you only get the marks for getting right to the end, but that's not the case. You'll be picking up marks the whole way. Follow for more tips and visit my website to sign up for lessons.